What's the meaning of adamantine? Adamantine. 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 The word adamantine is an adjective that describes something that is extremely hard and unbreakable. It derives from the word adamant, which is a type of stone that was believed to be unbreakable in ancient mythology. When describing something as adamantine, it implies that it is indestructible and impervious to damage. This word is often used to describe something with great strength and resilience, such as a person's will or determination. Overall, adamantine connotes a sense of unyielding strength and toughness, suggesting that something possesses an almost invincible quality.